creating a banana leaf experience at home, and here is how you can do it. Banana leaf plants are very common in Malaysia and you can find it in any neighborhood. So over here we scouted around and found a neighborhood which had really good big banana leaves because we wanted it to actually fit the dining table. So safety first, but in this case, we brought along a knife just to make sure that we could cut through really easily. So we got a really big one like this. It looked good. And then we just went on. Once you found the first one, it was really easy to choose the next ones. A little thing to note is some of it were a little shorter, some were a little bigger. The bigger ones were better because it was easy to just lay one whole banana leaf across the whole table. You can see how big this banana leaf really is. It is even taller than me. So it would have been about 170 to 180 centimeters tall. And yeah, after we took 3, we realized that some were a little shorter and may not fit in the dining table, so we just went on, tried to take a little bit more. And banana leaves are very, very common. Indian restaurants always serve meals on a banana leaf, and why not make it at home? Instead of going to a restaurant and having banana leaf, you can also grab a banana leaf and eat your Indian meal on a banana leaf. So that's what we did over here. You can see the whole dining table is filled with 1 big and 2 smaller banana leaves, and we then laid out all the dishes. Some of the dishes are bought from the restaurant and some are made at home, and this is a replica of a banana leaf meal.
Today we are bringing the banana leaf experience to my home, and I have here some people to eat with me, enjoy the food. This is shell out food. Yes, we are all going to have shell out food today.
And banana leaf is the best thing I had in my life.
Wow!
When I was eating rice with chicken with sambal in it, it's like very amazing. So it's very delicious. My favorite dish is like the sambal with it, and it's very tasty because I love the sambal with the chicken and the rice. But I don't really eat spicy food, but it's okay if I use with sambal.
Wow! Amazing!
Yeah. So that's it.
Hi everyone! Let's have the banana leaf experience at home.
Thank you.
You want to stop party?
That's enough. Okay, one more than enough. Hey, one more. Okay, okay. Thank you. Let's begin.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, the food was 10 and I'm gonna pass out.
Scale of 10, I give 10. I already passed out, now I eat one more.
After having the banana leaf food, I'm so full that I think I'm being a bit drowsy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm a 10 in terms of how full I am. Time to hydrate.
From the food to 1 to 10, I call it a 9 to 10 because I feel dizzy and I'm about to pass out right now.
Running away from where I'm from, never can stay with no one. Loving you almost feels like something when no one's around me. You lost and found me. I was surrounded with open arms. Open arms, you give me open. I'm so devoted. You keep me open. Open arms. I'm so devoted to you, to you, to you. Said I'm being hopeless, choking on insecurity. I know all this is bad, but please put a leash on me anyway. Who needs self-esteem anyway? I hate myself to make you stay. Push me away, I'll be right here with open arms. Open arms, you give me open. I'm so devoted. You keep me open. Open arms, I'm so devoted to you, to you, to you.
Come between us, yeah, I decided I'm forever riding, you forever guiding. Pull up on the hop, hit this curb up, sliding.